depths and from the sky. One with the darkness, one with light's cry. A boy forged in the fires below, a girl with wings that forever glow. Together they rise from realms afar, a force unstoppable like a burning star. One with the night, one with the dawn, fighting as one forever drawn. Twin flames of the dark and the light, together they stand to end the night. With his fire and her sacred might, they fight as one, bound by the fight. His eyes burn red, her gaze pure gold. In their unity, their story unfolds through storm and shadow, through heaven and hell. They carry the light where darkness fell. His demon's wrath, her angel's grace, together they bring the end to this place. No foe too fierce, no darkness too vast, for the twins will stand and they'll outlast. Twin flames of the dark and the light, together they stand to end the night. With his fire and her sacred might, they fight as one, bound by the fight. Through blood and fire they will soar, the heavens and hell shall both implore. For in their hands the power lies, to shatter the dark and light the skies. Darkness, a girl of grace, together they bring the light to this place. No power can break, no shadow